This is actually better than the injections. So the injections stimulate your GLP-1 receptors constantly for a whole week. And then what does your body do? Ugh, you're just like too overpowering to me. Just get away. And it stops working completely. Berberine keeps working forever. Do you know why? Because it only works on the release of your own natural GLP-1. And your natural GLP-1 works for 10 minutes that it's normally going to work for. But you're going to make more and you're going to be more sensitive to it. So it works, and it can provide as much stimulation as the injections, the pharmaceuticals. But what it doesn't do is stimulate constantly for a whole week. But you can keep taking it, and as you're eating, you'll have that. You won't feel as hungry. Your things will slow down and digest better and absorb better. And at the same time, you'll make more insulin. Your blood sugar will go down, and that's all been noted in the past. People have noted that in the past, but they didn't know that it was being caused by GLP-1. So now we have better understanding of how the system works. So Berberine is an excellent tool for so many of the things that we have in our modern age.